friends, Miss Ashlee, librarian at the Crystal Lake Public Library, here today for another Blow Off Some Steam. Today we're gonna play around with ice and baking soda and vinegar and food coloring, and we're gonna make some fizzing ice. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you wanna do is find a container. I have one of those disposable foil pans that's pretty high up. You could use a Tupperware or Rubbermaid or some sort of plastic container you have at home, something like this. And then we're gonna layer. We're gonna do ice, baking soda, and food coloring. We're gonna do that a couple of times, and then we'll start putting the vinegar in. Now I have some distilled white vinegar here in a container, and I have a jumbo eyedropper that I'm going to use. You can use a pipette or a straw or something else to go ahead and distribute the vinegar in. So we're just going to start. And what's happening when I drop it on is a chemical reaction, right? So the ice is like water in a traditional baking soda and vinegar experiment where you make like the volcano. So because the ice is frozen and it needs to melt a little bit, the reaction is a little bit delayed, which is kind of what's fun. Now you can see there is some bubbling, right? And it's continuing to bubble over in here. I don't know if you can see that. Now, if it's a snowy day, you might be able to scoop up a pan of snow and try it with this instead of ice. I have not done that, but I am going to do it this winter as soon as we get some snow. I want to see what that would be like. So there's a chemical reaction happening between the baking soda, the sodium bicarbonate, and the vinegar and the water from the ice, which is what makes the fizzing, the bubbles. Whoa. So it's not just a physical change when the ice melts to water, it's also a chemical change when these all combine. All right, I'm gonna keep playing. Watch along. I added some more baking soda in, and you can really hear it start to fizz again. So I'm going to use the remainder of my vinegar here that I have. And it's a little stinky because I have a lot of vinegar in here. I used a lot of ice and a lot of baking soda. So you might want to, you know, open a window or turn on a fan for the smell to dissipate. That means for it to go away, for it to combine with the other air around it, the other fresh air around it, and become less strong. Really like the cool color this has turned with the blue and the green food coloring. And over here I had just frozen some snowflake confetti into just plastic containers and then put those in, and I feel like this is actually more fun than the ice cubes. I feel like it gets more of a reaction. Probably, my guess is that because there's more of the surface of this larger piece rather than the smaller pieces of the ice cube. So anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this Blow Off Some Steam. I hope you try it yourself and try it again when it snows, and we'll see you back here next time. Thanks for watching.